Now we're doing the cotton lotion. The cotton lotion from Maisie. Cotton lotion. You see? I'm going to turn around a little bit. See all this hair? It's going to cut from here. Bang bang. So now we're going to do Mila, good morning. So we're taking nice section as a horseshoe section. So this horseshoe section you're taking is all depends how thick the hair and how wide are you going to go. This is important. You take one part from the top. Can I have some metal clips or some plastic clips as well, please?
Oh, you've done it again.
So we're taking one piece from here to take this one down. It's very important. You always have a good consultation with the client where the front part, where it's going to be. Instead of showing the back of the hair, how much you want to take it off, always show the front, how much you want to take it off, because the customer cannot see the back. But if you show the front, and if you say to the customer, where would you like your hair to be? So the customer's going to say, I want to take around 2 inches. Then I cut 2 inches. I mean, I don't ask her, I just cut it. Oh, thank you very much.
Ömer abinle konuşup geri döneceğim size. Bize yemeğe. Barbecue.
Thank you. Yeah. Sorry guys. So, I bring this one down. This is very easy. Very easy. Look, can you see?
Cheers, thank you.
Simple as that.
Bye.
So we put this one like this. I'm gonna put a leveler to put like this and see the level from here up and down, so make sure everything is correct. So bring the hair down nicely like this. This is down, but should we go a little bit more shorter? I don't know. We'll let ask the girl. What do you think? Should we go a bit
Just
more?
a little bit.
Yeah. What was your name again?
Imogen.
Imogen, isn't it? Can you imagine? Imogen is look beautiful. Imagine. Yeah. So we have Claire. It says, oh bloody hell, I can't read that. This is Spanish or Italian. We have Yusuf. Selam Yusuf, kardeşim. Çok sağ olun. We have one from Arabic country. I don't know where this is gone. This is gone. So should we keep it this length or should we go a bit more shorter?
Just a little bit shorter.
A little bit more shorter. So the one thing we have to make 100% sure the customer is not cross-legging, because when they cross-leg the balance of the hair, it will change. So make sure it's the right balance. So we're going to take another little bit. Should we say that's enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. So again, just bring this hair down. They have different technique to cut it, but I'm trying to make it easier for you. So bring this one down and just, can you imagine, like here, can you see? There we go. And you learn. That's it. After we cut that, I'm gonna just take one section from here. And we have nice length is there. There we go. We cut that the same length. Taking one section from here. Now, when you cut in the hair from here, your arms is from here. When you're from here, arms is from here. What's that mean? Here it's going to be like this, here it's going to be like that. So when you cut in the hair, make sure your hands is not like this, it's like that. So it's the same level the other side. That is very important, otherwise the one side is going to look different than the other side. Now, both haircut is been done. Now I have a guideline from both sides to cut at the back. Can I have the chair, please?
Richard, don't just look your phone, just so what's one going to, is that your dad there or? So aren't you better taking your gold home and getting your dad to have a look from the house? Richard, don't you go, Joel.
Now we're going to bring this one here. I already cut a little bit for you. Imogen, Ryan Tilley, he says hello Imogen, hello Billy, hello Ryan Tilley. Sorry, something. Make sure your head's nice balance.
Let the dog out now.
Oh, you know Ryan?
Yeah, I know.
Ryan, everybody know you from that pop, you know. He's a popular man.
I went to school with Ryan.
Have you?
Yeah.
Ryan, they've been to school with you. We know everything about you, Ryan. Popular guy, of course you are. You think? Yeah. But you are a popular guy. You are. Because you have a big smile. And you have rich uncle as well. With nice Bentley car. So we cut that one now. Can you see how simple the perimeter is been done?
Yeah.
Now the other part is even more simple. So what we're doing here, taking one big section and bringing back.
Yeah.
And leaving this one here, or either if you want to, just hold it and take it. Then simple, simple, simple. The simplicity always the key. You cut it, same length, even I'm not absolutely kind of making any more elevation or any direction or anything, just straightforward down to the previous guideline and nicely down, and we're cutting it. Just follow your guideline. Now, should I put some layers? Well, that is all the pant. That's all the pant was customer they want. Now, the one thing is very important. The hair, what we say in the description of the haircut, the forward graduation is like one length bob, forward graduation. So if you bring this hair back and cut it the back like this, and then the front will be longer than the back. So when you blow drying it, it's coming that nice bob shape. If you try to cut the hair on the side from here and you're cutting it like this, the hair when it's been blow dried, it will be more round the front. So be careful. depend how you want that hair. So you should know when the hair is going to fall down. If you don't, then obviously it's your problem. It's not mine. Innit?
What was that?
After we've done that, now you can see how the front is getting longer. Can you see how the waist is coming? And if we bring this one down as well, you can see it's the way the hair is coming down. Isn't it amazing? It's absolutely amazing. Look at that. Oh. ماري جاك السلام عليكم واهلا وسهلا فيك وانا بفتكر انت من فرانس بتحكي معنا من فرانس اهلا وسهلا فيكي. I speak two languages. That's why your mom should love me. Now, if we give very soft layers to this hair, it's gonna look marvelous. But when we do that soft layers, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do just the top section. Leave the front part. So the one section, the front part, I'm gonna bring the camera more closer. 1, 2, 3, 4. So don't take it the zigzag from the front. So leave the front section. So the perimeter of the front, leave it. 1. So we're going to make sure we have right proportion, and that right proportion, it will make right style. If we don't have right proportion, then one side will be slightly different than the other. So we have to check the proportion. Is very important. So I'm just going to put this back to give nice, there we go. Now look at here, go forward, you seen it? So we left these two front panels, Now I'm taking this one. You have several different ways to cut this hair. Several different ways. The first one, second one, and third one. You can use scissors. You can use blade. You can use shear scissors. It's up here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use the blade. So I'm bringing the hair back, and I'm going to start cutting it from the side. So I'm taking nearly 3 inch, and I'm kind of scooping the hair. I'm not cutting all the hair, I'm scooping the hair. So what's that mean? It will thin the hair, the end of the hair. I'm taking again, I'm taking the hair down and then start just chopping the end of the hair, making sure it's like a nice level and bringing the hair down. What that will do, it will do seamless layers. So when the hair is come down, you wouldn't see the layers, but when you put nice curls inside the hair, you will see kind of very nice movement. You can see already the shape of the hair. Absolutely look wicked. Look at that. Ryan, does she look sexy like now? Like what do you think? Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use texturizing cream. We're gonna put this one, Italian job. Look at that. Thank you, darling. My hands become very sticky. I have to wash it.
See ya.
I think I should come back to you after I finish the hair blow drying it, or do you want to watch it while I'm blow drying it? So quickly make a decision. In 2 minutes I'm gonna close the live video. If you say keep it, I'm gonna keep it. But at least I need 5 people to say stay. At least 5 people. No, you have to write it down. You have to write it down to say stay. But liking it is not enough. Just says I want to stay. 5 people. Now, we're taking one section again. We're taking big round circle from the top. So, making less hair. Easy to blow dry it. And then we're taking another 2 clips. Who is it? 1, it says stay. 1 is not enough, I need 5. I need another 4. Please, if you want, I don't mind to come back later because sometimes I feel it's just too much people. They like to see that shorter video and then suddenly come say wow. But I personally think we should, the more we watch from beginning till the end, we'll learn more. But I don't want to make anybody uncomfortable. I want you to be happy, enjoy what you see. Okay. I'll come back later then. Gina, sorry, I will come back later and you will see the full result. Thank you very much and ciao, gracias, prego.